Welcome back all of you. Here I am going to discuss about different types of mobile technologies. You know the terms 1G, 2G, 3G, etc. So these are the different types of mobile technology. First we can see about 1G technology. In 1G technology, it support only voice communication. It is introduced in the year of 1980. During that time, mobile phones are used only for communication through voice. And it supports a data rate of up to 2.4 kbps. It will not support the text messages. This is the first technology that is used in mobile phones. And after that, the second one is 2G technology. 2G technology is a digital cellular system which was implemented or introduced in 1990. This supports data services such as SMS, MMS, etc. And the quality of data or quality of the sound is good compared with the 1G. And it supports the data rate up to 64 kbps. And the data security is more compared with the 1G technology. And here in 2G technology, data transmission in the form of digital form, and which enables the compressed voice and multiplexing. So one more time, I'll repeat it. In 2G technology is introduced in the year of 1990, and it is the first digital cellular system. And in this technology, data transmission is in the form of digital form, which support MMS, SMS, etc. And the quality of data, quality of voice is more than 1G technology, and which support a data rate of 64 kbps, and which provide more security compared with the 1G technology. Now we can see about 3G technology. 3G technology is introduced in the year of 2000, which provide faster web services, live chat and video conferencing. And the data rate is up to 144 kbps to 2 Mbps, and which allows sending and receiving large email messages. And 3G technology which support live streaming also. It provides high bandwidth is required. Each user will allocate a separate time slot to transmit the data. And it provides broadband internet services. So, 3G technology which is introduced in the year of 2000, and which is a faster web service, live chat and video conferencing. Data rate is up to 144 kbps to 2 Mbps, which allows sending and receiving large email messages. So that is all about 3G technology. Now we can see about 4G technology. So after 2005, it introduced 4G technology. It supports a data rate from 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps. It provides faster and better mobile broadband. It is based on packet switched technology. It can provide better than TV quality images and video links. It provides internet access, high quality video streaming also. These are the main technologies that supported in mobile phones. See that the first one is 1G technology. During that time, only mobile phones are used only for transmitting the voice signals. Next one is 2G, which support both voice, SMS and MMS. During that technology, digital transmission is allowed. First digital cellular system is introduced during this technology. Next is 3G technology, which has faster web services compared to 2G technology, and it provides broadband internet service also. And the last one is 4G technology, which has a data rate is up to 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, and which follows packet switch technology. It provides high internet access and high quality video streaming. So this is about different technologies which is used in mobile or which support in mobile phones. So that is all about this topic. And next class we can study about the next topic.